Welcome to How We Grew, your gateway to learning real estate wholesaling from anywhere in the world. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to navigate the platform and start learning today. First, let's create your account. Click the Get Started or Sign Up button on our homepage. Enter your name, email address, and create a password. Once you confirm your email, you're ready to go. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your learning dashboard. This is your home base. At the top, you'll see your membership level, whether you're on Starter, Pro, or Elite. Below that, you'll find 4 key numbers: how many courses you can access, how many courses you're enrolled in, your overall progress percentage, and your support level. If you're on the free starter plan and want to unlock everything, just click the Upgrade Plan button. To find courses, click Browse Courses from your dashboard or use the navigation menu at the top. You'll see all available courses organized by topic. Each course card shows the title, a brief description, and how many lessons it contains. Click on any course to see more details. When you find a course you want to take, click the Enroll or Start Course button. Once enrolled, the course will appear in your My Courses section on your dashboard for easy access anytime. Now let's talk about how lessons work. When you open a course, you'll see it organized into modules. Each module contains several lessons. Click on any lesson to start learning. Inside each lesson, you'll find tabs at the top. Video, watch the lesson video. The system tracks how much you've watched. Lesson content, read the written material that accompanies the video. Resources, download any helpful files, templates, or guides. Quiz, test your knowledge with a short quiz. Notes, write your own personal notes as you learn. Your progress is tracked automatically. Complete about 80% of the lesson, watching the video, reading the content, and passing the quiz, and the lesson will be marked complete. Use the Next Lesson and Previous Lesson buttons at the bottom to move through the course. Back on your dashboard, you can see exactly where you stand. Your progress bar shows your overall completion across all courses. In the My Courses section, each enrolled course displays how far along you are. This makes it easy to pick up right where you left off. Pro and Elite members get access to our community forum. This is where you can connect with other students, ask questions, and share your wins. Elite members also have access to one-on-one mentorship. You can book sessions with experienced coaches directly through the platform. When you complete a course, you'll earn a certificate. Find all your certificates in the Certificates section of your account. You can download and share them to showcase your achievement. That's everything you need to get started. Log in, enroll in your first course, and begin your journey to mastering real estate wholesaling from anywhere in the world. If you have questions, our support team is here to help. Now go ahead and start learning.